everyone, welcome to my little world. Today we'll do a toy review. And this transformer and this robot is named Wedge. Light up. Let's open it. It will take a better look. And let's look at the back of it. Look, it can be attached it together. It's open. Let's transform it. Before that, we have to see instructions. Just next. I think it is here. Okay, so that was easy. Easy, quite easy. Change to a folder. Wow, nice folder. Transform. Light. Wow, what are these in here? These are very weird. This is very weird. Just wait for a second, guys. Yeah, I think I definitely need help. I think I'll just somehow pull this out. Pull it. We got it. But along with the rest we just got a trailer and a drill, and these are some parts, and this is the stone of tomb. This is a stone with rocks in there, and that's it. So let's open the trailer and fix everything inside. This goes somewhere, and we'll make this. And we also got some sticker. Let's stick all of them. The name of this place is named Griffin Rock. We pasted all the stickers. Carry this rock just right here and close this up. Close this panel. Close this, and then for that we have to bend this, and then done. Almost. Just make this together and transform Wedge. Let's wait. Then let's go. See, it's done. Let's open the drill up, and then press this. And when we light it up, press this button. Lights up. Let's go on an adventure. I also have a transformer here. To lift it up and transform it to robot. You have to make it up and transform it to car mode. So let's go on an adventure and find the crystal. Professor, what should we do? Okay, let me transform to a lab. Okay, let's go. Wait a minute. Beep. Ting. Ting. Three. Oh. See the inside heart. Let's transform. Yeah. We've got this. Bye bye. Hope you like it. Okay. We can see more Transformers video next time. Till then, toodles.